Good morning again, people. It is 6:54 on Friday morning, the 6th of March, and I just thought I would run through this morning's Groundhog Day. Same charts, different day, same method. So, excuse me. So start on the monthly, previous month's high, previous month's low, that's February, and a couple of other months as well. So we do January's high, January's low, December's low, that big green candle, December's high, and then down to the weekly, previous week's high, the red candle, previous week's low, not that I think it will get anywhere near that. And we're always looking at the indicators as well, of course, but after doing a week of this, it's not really necessary on these higher time frames, because they won't, well, they might change, but it's unlikely on the higher time frames. Green candles high the previous week before the previous week, if that makes any sense, and the low. Excuse me, I'm really suffering with this cold. Plus I'm dosed up to the eyeballs, and it isn't recommended you trade when you're not well. So, daily, previous day's high, previous day's low, excuse me. And now we're looking at the left hand side, because there's nothing between the previous day's high and clear air. So the price should go north, just drawing a trend line on here now. Well, a couple actually. One for the main trend, if you like, and then one for the most recent levels respected, here and here. It would have been here and here a few days back on the daily chart, of course, but we broke through that one, so that was unrespected, or disrespected even, and then down to H4, same job. Previous H4 high. I hope this is starting to make sense to some of you. Previous H4 low, and then the one before that, low first, then the high. Looking at that green candle there now, and seeing as this will actually affect price potentially, can't quite see where the high is of that green candle there, but we'll stick a level on it anyway. And while we're here, might as well stick a support level on the bottom of that candle there, that one there. Excuse me. Oh, let's have a look at the indicators as well. Green and green, both above zero, looking good for the longs. Red to green on the H4, bulls are in charge, is not so clear. My indicator, that is. H1 turning green, bulls are going for it again. turning green. The current bar is not closed yet, but we've got 1 minute to go, so that there it goes, that's green now, so this should still continue long. 30-minute will be green, no doubt. Yep, previous bar, whatever you want to call it, was green. And 15-minute is green as well. And I can't trade against the indicators or the candlestick analysis. We could draw a trend line on here as well now. I've disrespected that spike there, or excluded that spike, because on the lower time frames obviously spikes are likely to be more prevalent and potentially less important. So as you can see, price is pushed up, and there was, when I entered my trade, there was clean air above price to this resistance level up here, and that's what I traded. Pre-Frankfurt, you should have guessed that by now. My pre-Frankfurt trade was the long. When this turned green on the 5-minute chart, and green on my own Indy as well, there was no option but to go long, and that's exactly what I did. So you've seen my top-down analysis for this morning's trade, and apologies if I sound a bit weird, but I'm really rough with this cold and dosed up to the nines. So they say don't trade when you're unwell, but I've made my plan at 6 o'clock, and I traded my plan just before 6, and job done. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Oh, I did this on gold as well, by the way. All the lines are on the chart, but as you know, I'm still practicing on gold, as it were, and never trade real money until you are absolutely 100% sure that you are happy with the instrument you are trading. Thanks again. Bye for now.